Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model Mdv-107D-1A1Vef. Let's get started. This is a new Casio Duro watch. With a black dial and a black bezel, it has a classic design. The sporty, yet classic design also features a handy date display, bringing practical utility to fashionable style. Stainless steel bracelet and practical mechanism for opening and closing. The battery lasts approximately 3 years, and the watch weighs 144 grams. With water resistance up to 200 meters, a unidirectional rotating bezel, and screw-lock case back, this is a timepiece ready for whatever ocean sports or marine activities you are into. The case width is 44 mm, and the glass is mineral. How do you like this watch? How would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please write to us in the comments.